Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add fake rain to your videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this video. Actually I'll use this video instead. To add the fake rain effect, you're going to go to effects. This is a pro feature, by the way, so just keep that in mind. Go to nature. And you're going to add in either rainy season 1 or rainy season 2, and it's going to add this really cool rain effect. You can adjust the atmosphere here, the blur as well, and the filters. I'm also going to select the video and I'm going to go to adjustments, and I'm just going to make it blue a little bit so it looks cold. I'm so sorry. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. If you want to, you can also change the speed of the rain, I guess. Please click the thanks button if you found this video helpful. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.